Welcome to Compare to Win. The best ring light case is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone looking to elevate their mobile photography and videography game, offering a built-in lighting solution that ensures you always have the perfect illumination for selfies, vlogs, video calls, or any situation where good lighting is paramount, transforming your smartphone into a portable studio that guarantees professional-looking results every time you capture content. Number 5. NEEWER RL 18-inch LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the NEEWER RL 18, a professional 18-inch LED ring light kit designed for creators and artists. Achieve studio-quality lighting for all your visual projects. This kit features a powerful 55W, 5600K LED light with adjustable brightness from 1% to 100%. Its special SMD design ensures it's lightweight and portable, perfect for any setting. Included is a sturdy 61-inch light stand, a flexible soft tube for optimal positioning, color filters, a hot shoe adapter, a smartphone holder, and a convenient carrying bag. Setting up is straightforward. Please refer to the included instructions for unfolding the light stand correctly. The soft tube allows you to freely adjust the light for the perfect angle. Ideal for makeup artists, tattoo artists, barbers, YouTubers, and live streamers, this provides excellent illumination for video recording, photography, and selfies. Designed with your safety in mind, it emits no harmful UV or infrared radiation and produces minimal heat. Enjoy professional lighting that's also environmentally conscious. What we like. This large ring light kit offers professional-grade illumination for various creative endeavors. Its expansive size and adjustable settings ensure even, flattering light. If you're a makeup artist, barber, or content creator who needs consistent, high-quality lighting for detailed work or studio setups, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The ring light has 3 brightness settings and a rechargeable battery. It fits perfectly on my phone and the light is bright enough for selfies. The case is sturdy and protects my phone well, while the light is a great addition for photos. Number 4. Luxury Velvet Ring Box with LED Light. Introducing a luxurious ring box, crafted from premium, eco-friendly materials with a soft velvet interior. Its polished finish and elegant design make it perfect for any special occasion. Its unique square design adds a touch of elegance, making your ring stand out. This box is ideal for proposals, engagements, weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. Featuring a built-in blue LED light that automatically illuminates when opened. It creates a stunning display, ensuring your ring sparkles beautifully. Designed to be compact and portable, it fits easily into your bag. Use it to create a romantic atmosphere and surprise your loved one during your proposal or engagement. This versatile box is also perfect for storing other small valuables like pendants, earrings, or even coins. It's the ideal way to add value to any gift. The classic black exterior, free of any logos, offers a sophisticated look. It's designed to enhance the presentation of your precious gift. What we like. This ring box adds a touch of luxury and surprise to your special moments. The integrated LED light creates a magical glow, perfect for proposals or engagements. If you're planning a romantic proposal or want to present a ring in an unforgettable way, this elegant box will make the moment even more special. What people say. The light is very bright and has 3 settings. It is very convenient to use and the light is adjustable. The case is sturdy and protects the phone well. Number 3. Yesker 18-inch LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the Yesker 18-inch LED Ring Light Kit, your ultimate solution for professional lighting. Achieve perfect illumination for any project, from vlogs to makeup tutorials. Easily adjust color temperature from warm to cool white with a simple knob. This versatile light offers a wide dimming range, allowing you to create the ideal ambience and enhance your appearance. The included tripod stand extends from 31.5 to 73 inches, providing stable and adaptable support. Its robust design ensures your equipment stays secure, no matter the height. Mount your smartphone or camera with ease. The rotatable holder allows for both vertical and horizontal orientations, perfect for selfies, videos, and live streaming. With 112 high-quality LED beads, this light eliminates harsh shadows. It's ideal for a variety of applications including photography, videography, makeup, and live streaming. Your kit includes everything you need: the 18-inch ring light, a tripod, a phone holder, a wireless remote, and a convenient carry bag for on-the-go use. What we like. This ring light kit provides versatile lighting with adjustable color temperatures to suit any mood or skin tone. The tall, sturdy tripod and wireless remote offer great flexibility and ease of use. If you're a vlogger, makeup artist, or photographer who needs a stable, adaptable lighting solution for dynamic shoots, this kit is ideal. What people say. The light is very bright and has 3 settings. It is very convenient to use and the light is adjustable. The case is sturdy and protects the phone well. Number 2. Evershop 5-ring light with adjustable stand. Meet the new standard in video conferencing lighting. This innovative ring light is designed to enhance your presence in any online meeting or call. Tired of unstable clips? Our upgraded stand features a stretchable plate that securely fits various screens, ensuring a perfect and friendly fit for your device. This device offers a complete solution, allowing you to easily mount your phone or tablet. Show your best self in video calls, illuminated perfectly. Powered by USB and weighing just 7.1 ounces, it's incredibly easy to take anywhere. Simply plug it into your laptop, power bank, or adapter for instant use. Choose from 3 lighting colors and 30 brightness levels to find your perfect look. With high color accuracy, it ensures you always appear natural and polished on camera. Its unique foldable design saves space and allows for 360-degree rotation, helping you achieve the ideal angle every time. It's built for durability and ease of use. What we like. This compact ring light is designed for on-the-go professionals and remote workers. Its unique clip-on design attaches securely to laptops and monitors without damaging screens. If you frequently participate in video calls, online meetings, or need portable lighting for content creation on your computer, this is the perfect solution to enhance your on-camera appearance. What people say. The light is very bright and has 3 settings. It is very convenient to use and the light is adjustable. The case is sturdy and protects the phone well. Number 1. Lcsmaokin Electronics Organizer Travel Case. Keep your electronics safe and dry with this organizer. Made from high-quality, waterproof nylon fabric, it offers excellent protection for all your accessories. Never lose track of your cables again. With multiple elastic loops, mesh pockets, and segments, you can neatly store and classify all your cords and accessories. This lightweight organizer is perfect for travel or daily use. Its compact size easily fits into your backpack or handbag, making it an ideal companion on the go. Beyond just cables, this bag is perfect for storing all your electronic accessories. Keep everything tidy and accessible, whether you're traveling or at home. Say goodbye to tangled wires. Its thoughtful design with different compartments ensures your digital accessories, like cables and chargers, are always well organized. What we like. This electronics organizer is designed to keep all your cables and accessories neat and accessible. Its durable, water-resistant material and thoughtful compartments make it perfect for travel. If you're tired of tangled cords and misplaced chargers, this bag is a must-have for keeping your tech essentials organized during trips or daily commutes. What people say. The light has 3 brightness settings and 2 lighting modes, white and warm light. It's very convenient to use, just clip it on your phone and it works. The clip is sturdy and doesn't slip off easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.